Hello, good morning to all. The topic is domestic refrigerator. This topic covered in the subject of basic of mechanical engineering in the first and second sem of degree engineering. The topic covered in this the video is introduction of the domestic refrigerator, definition of refrigerator, VCR systems and its components, figure of domestic refrigerator, and understanding of domestic refrigerator means how is the system is working inside the domestic refrigerator. Definition for an refrigerator. What is the refrigerator or refrigeration effect? If you have to say that there is a two portion are there, portion 1 and portion 2. If you have to remove heat from one portion to another portion, that means it's give a temperature drop and it's give a temperature up. You have to remove heat from the portion 1 and reject to portion 2. The first portion give a heat down and second portion give a heat up. That's called a lowering of the temperature. That's called a refrigeration effect. You have to put your in a different definition. First is it is a device which remove the heat from cold body and reject to hot body like as a surrounding and produce a low temperature for a useful purpose. That's also a definition of refrigeration. Secondary definition is there. Refrigeration is defined the method of reducing temperature of the system below the surrounding temperature. We have to consider as a surrounding temperature and we have to put the lower temperature compared to surrounding temperature. That's also called a refrigeration effect. In a simple form, the refrigeration means cooling or removal of heat from the system. For any object, we have to remove heat from it. That's also called as a refrigeration effect. The vapor compression refrigeration cycle, there is a mainly four component part: evaporator, compressor, condenser, and expansion valve. The all component working we have to discuss in our last video. So you have to refer this video, vapor compression refrigeration cycles. The process for the vapor compression refrigeration cycle is the process 1 to 2 isentropic compression. This process occurs in a compressor. Process 2 to 3 constant pressure heat rejection in condenser. The process 3 to 4 throttling in a expansion valve, and process 4 to 1 constant pressure heat addition in the evaporator. The detail for this structure you have to refer our last video, refrigeration and air conditioning system YouTube channel. This is the refrigerator backside view of the refrigerator. Most of the common people you to show your home refrigerator. This is the back side of the refrigerator. This part is a compressor. This part is a receiver tank. This showing a part a zigzag way tube is a conditioner of the refrigerator. In this inside of refrigerator, this part we have to say as a ice box. That's called as a evaporator. And there is a small capillary tube for an throttling of the process that will produce a chilling effect. This is a normal line diagram of the VCR system. The compressor, this is the first component is compressor. There is a we have to show in our real refrigerator compressor. Then after the next part is a conditioner that we have to show this part are the compressor in a refrigerator diagram. Then second after this is the throttling device. We have to show as a capillary tube or expansion device. Then after the evaporator. The evaporator inside the fridge is a ice box, also called as a evaporator. This part is conditioner. Conditioner we have to show that the zigzag tube line pass from the back side of the refrigerator. Compressor. evaporator and capillarity tube. This is the domestic refrigerator. Okay, thank you.